Welcome back to another Kdenlive video editing tutorial. In the last video, we looked at using the obscure effect to kind of obscure out a license plate. But the problem was, when we moved forward in our video, that box would kind of just stay in the same place, and it was going up and see, it would obscuring part of the Mercedes symbol there. And so this box just sort of stayed wherever we put it. And so now I'm going to show you how to have that box move and kind of track along with a certain object in the video in theory. So I will say this tool is not perfect by any means, but it's actually called Auto Mask under Blur and Hide. So we'll drag it in, and what the Auto Mask will do, you choose a point in the video that you think is a good reference point, and you just resize this box. So it looks very similar to the obscure. So we'll just set this to a point that we want to kind of maybe like right here. So we'll set it to that license plate, and then we actually have this analyze button. We click analyze, and it takes just a second, and it analyzes kind of all the pixels within that box, and it does its best to try and follow them throughout. So now if we go forward, it should. So that box is still moving up, but look, it's not obscuring the Mercedes symbol. If we click off, so that red box is no longer selected, now we see it's following along as best it can with that license plate, and it doesn't, now it tracks over to the right, so it kind of messed up there. But at least it's not going up and getting that Mercedes symbol like it was doing last time. We can fix that, I think, by just making this box a little bit bigger. Then we hit analyze, and I think that should be good now. And we'll just merge the data together. So let's see what it does now. So that's better. And so now we have it going, starts from the beginning. It kind of obscures that license plate, and it doesn't get up and cover up the Mercedes symbol though. So this is sort of a working example. To tell you the truth, I tried to get lots of other video footage, like if we go later on in this video here, I'll delete this now. I couldn't get it to even track to this part. So it's not super great yet, but it is an option, and it might just work for you as long as your subject or the thing you're trying to obscure is not moving too much. You might have success, but don't get frustrated if you can't get it to work, because it's not a very good tracking tool. If you want to do more advanced tracking like this, I would recommend using a free software like Natron. You can check out my other tutorials. In fact, I'll make a tutorial in there about how to do obscure and actually track really well to obscure an object. Hopefully you found this kind of informative though. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next video.